Now to solve this problem, the first thing that we should do is label information on our diagram. So we're given that side, the distance from T to S is 2.1 kilometers. We're also given the distance from T to point R is 3.15 kilometers. And we're told that the angle, and this is easy to do when you're measuring with the transit, the measure of the angle from R to S is 82 degrees. So now we have two side lengths and the contained angle. So that means we can use cosine law in order to figure out how long the tunnel needs to be, because we're looking for the side opposite the given angle here. So we're going to sub in now for R is equal to 2.1, S is equal to 3.15, and angle T is 82 degrees. So we can isolate T by taking the square root of both sides of the equation. And we can do this operation all on our calculator. All right, so if we're going to do this all in one step, then T is the square root. And so we'll open a bracket, and it's 2.1 squared plus 3.15 squared minus 2 times 2.1 times 3.15 times cosine of 82. And close the bracket, and then we take the square root. And we get an answer of approximately 3.5 kilometers. And so T is approximately equal to 3.5 kilometers. Therefore, the tunnel needs to be approximately 3.5 kilometers long. So here's another surveying question that we can use trig for. And the surveyor is also drawing plans for the construction of a bridge across a river from point D to point E. Point E is 3.2 kilometers from point F. The surveyor measures angle DFE to be 60 degrees and angle DEF to be 50 degrees. How long does the bridge need to be? In other words, what is the distance from point D to point E? So label your diagram with the information given in the question, and then use the appropriate trigonometry law in order to solve the problem.